Yo my dudes, welcome back to another video. So before we do start off this video, I just want to take a second of your time to thank all my subscribers as well as everyone that is liking my videos and commenting in the comment section. And then for you guys that are not subscribed, please do consider subscribing to my channel if you are into automotive content. So what we do have planned for today, first of all, is I would actually like to change my rear bumper to the OEM bumper with the rear fog light, because Tariq still has my diffuser, so the bumper basically just has holes in it. So that is what I would like to do first. And then what I do plan on also doing is meeting up with the company that is going to assist me with creating the fiberglass molds for the fenders as well as my other parts as well. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to film that section, but I do plan on meeting up with my friend today. And then what I also plan on doing is going to Tahama Auto Body Center. The reason why we're going there is because Abdul did mention that they at the last stages of prime, I think, and then they are moving over to actually spraying the car. Another update that he just mentioned is that Tariq selected the same color as Jody has on his Civic. I'm not quite sure what the color codes are, but Abdul did mention that I think it is a bit of a brighter color. So that's just a little bit of an update of what you guys can expect on today's video. So let's get going. Okay my dudes, so I have the EG8 OEM rear bumper on. As you guys can see, the fog light is on. And I just stored my bumper over there. And then this is also a friend of mine's bumper, Saeed. This is meant for a race car, K24 race car. He just asked me to do like a Wong spec cutoff, and then we are going to fit a diffuser for him as well. So it is something you guys can look forward to in future. Then I do plan on maybe filming his car as well, like the whole process of actually the whole K20 setup, etc. And then what we are going to do right now is go to a friend of mine and see what we can do with regarding the fiberglass molds for my fenders. So yeah, without further ado, let's get going. Okay my dudes, so I apologize for interrupting this video. However, I am unable to find the beginning footage of this video. What me and my friend basically did was just we discussed how we're going to go about actually recreating the fenders, and he also just showed me a few of his projects that he did before. And also it's just something I'd like to touch base on. The cars that you're about to see right now in his garage are limited to South Africa, to my understanding. The reason for that is because of homologation. So to my understanding, homologation is something where a company like, let's say, Datsun wants to compete in a certain race and use a certain car. They need to basically produce a certain amount of cars in order for that car to partake in the race. So to my understanding, the cars that you are going to see right now are the produced cars by the company, not the actual race cars. So I think the Superboss and the Y and the Z Datsun were those type of cars that were basically produced in order for them to be in the race. So they are kind of limited to South Africa, to my understanding, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you guys, because those cars are pretty cool. And then also, guys, what you guys are about to see right now is my car actually being dented. I'm pretty bummed about it. However, if you guys are doing maybe dent removal, paintless dent removal, please make contact with me, because I'd really like to actually fix the dent without having to spray the car as well. And I'd also like to maybe showcase you guys' work and expose what you guys are capable of doing on the channel as well. So please make contact with me, maybe DM me on Instagram or whatever, maybe mention something in the comment section. I'd really like to work with you. But yeah, without further ado, let's continue this video. And then also, guys, driving on my way till here, I don't know, when I climbed up the car, I picked up that there's a random dent now on my fender. I'm not quite sure where it happened or how it happened, because the car literally just stands in the garage. And I worked on the car right now and nothing was there, and now all of a sudden there's something there. But anyway, I'll just show you guys the dent. Pretty bummed about it, but yeah. So this is the dent. Hopefully it can just be rolled out, and no paint work needs to be done. I am going to Tahama now, and I'm going to ask him if he can maybe assist me with actually fixing this. But yeah, it's pretty bad. Well, it's not that bad, but to me it's extremely bad. So much about my fender though. Yo guys, so I'm here by Tahama Auto Body Center, and Abdul mentioned that they are only going to spray the car I think later this week. The fender also came in, etc. It's actually kind of difficult to film here because the car is kind of standing outside. I'm gonna see what I'm able to do, and another thing is I'm also really bummed about the whole fender. I spoke to Abdul, and he also mentioned that you'd have to spray the fender, which I don't really want. So I am looking into someone that can maybe just push the dent out. But yeah, like I said, I'm kind of bummed, so I don't really want to film much. However, I am planning on linking up with another friend of mine, Tyler. He has a FN2 Type R. he's going to do a few mods to the car. So what I'm going to do maybe right now is go visit him, check out what the car is capable of doing right now, and then we're going to film some videos of after the mods. I think he's doing some intake or something like that, but I'll give you guys some more details on that in future. Like I mentioned, I'm extremely bummed about the whole fender situation, and I'm unable to really film much here. I'll add some videos of what the car looks like right now. It's kind of ready to be primed, and then it just literally just needs to be sprayed. So yeah, this is the end of this video. If you're watching this right now, thanks a lot for watching till the end. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Ha ha ha.